This result is brought to you by Bastrop Saturday. Public traffic network has spent 70% morning and evening commuters. That's for a lot of people, and we have the ability to connect you with those people. Call us to find out how.
For more information on traffic traffic on photo traffic, visit phototraffic.com. Everything Rider provides a smooth finish and a clean getaway in your inconspicuous life.
Probably one of the worst drives I've ever had to make. This is really, really wild.
Visit by watching the webcast at iHeartRadio.yahoo.com or on the live event viewer on your PlayStation 3.
Okay, I guess that's enough for now. I lived through this. I'll be so happy. But it's okay. It's a challenge. And back up here.
Rick Gill is the phone. Rick, thanks again for parting with Cave and Cave for our country music series. That's going to be a great show with Pat Green.
Proud to sponsor that event.
Now, let's talk about probably the hottest truck in America. I'm talking about the all-new 2014 Silverado.
It's here, and we have over 200 stock guys. Great deals on the full piece already. $7,000 off on the Texas Edition Cruise.